vacation. Where are we, Linda?
We are in Mount Airy and Poconos.
Mount Airy Casino Resort. This is the first time for me in the Poconos. Very excited.
Yeah, it's a really full area. You know, it's just very relaxing.
Very relaxing.
peaceful.
You know, it was my birthday. We celebrated this weekend. We had a great time. So we're gonna give you a quick review of Mount Airy.
Yes.
Okay. We stayed here for 2 nights, 3 days. Linda, let's start with the hotel itself that you can see in the background. What did you think about the rooms? We're gonna show you the rooms. What did you think?
Honestly, it met all my expectations. I saw it online and looked really nice and resort kind of vibe, but at the same time a little more elegance to it, and it really does have that. It's very clean, first of all, which is very important right now in these moments, you know, in these times. They're keeping everything very, very organized. A lot of rules, but you know, that's normal.
So yeah, I agree. The rooms were really nice, very modern, and they look like the picture that you see online.
Yeah.
So that was important to me. Sometimes you show up to a place and it doesn't look the same. No, it looked like the picture. Very nice, very clean, very well kept. I like that.
Yeah, and the resort is big too. So
Yeah.
it's a lot of space.
So the rooms, I give it a thumbs up.
5 stars.
5 stars.
4 stars.
4 stars out of 5?
I guess 4.5.
Okay, I'm giving it a thumbs up. Okay, so next, they have 4 restaurants, right? Or is it 3?
4.
They have 4 restaurants. They have an Italian one. They have the Guy Fieri restaurant. They have the Market one. And I think we went to 3. We went to 3 of the restaurants. Oh, we didn't go to the sushi place.
Yeah,
That's the one that we missed, but it did look like it had a good menu.
Yeah, it did.
So overall, what did you think about the restaurants?
Excellent. I mean, the market used to be a buffet before COVID, so now it's all individual. Good price, very good food, and you can pick whatever you want. I like that a lot. Then the Fury, right? We had dinner there the first night, and it was great. I mean, we had an amazing dinner. Prices are, you know, pretty good. Service incredible. So I have no complaint about that. And then last night we went to Bistecco.
I think it was called Bistecco, the Italian.
Bistecca.
It's like a steakhouse Italian.
Yeah, so it's a known restaurant by a famous chef. I can't remember the name of it, but it was really good. Really good. I mean, a high-end restaurant, and actually they gave us like the best like table of the whole restaurant.
Right.
And since it was
his VIP.
Yes, and since it was his birthday, so they brought at the end, you know, a nice birthday festivity kind of thing.
Yeah, so I gotta say I really enjoyed the 3 restaurants that we went to. Really enjoyed all 3 of them. Like you said, Bistecca, very flavorful, a lot of flavor in the food that we ate. We're gonna show you some videos of that. We had the crab meat, we had the salmon, we had some shrimp, and it was delicious. And then the Guy Fieri, I had salmon again because I love salmon, and a salad. And then you also had a burger. We had a burger that we shared, and the burger was delicious. I gotta say, it was really tasty. And also the market, the prices are amazing.
Yeah, and good
and
food.
Very good food. And what I like about eating in Pennsylvania, the taxes are very low.
Oh my God!
You see your bill, and you see your bill, and you're like, what? Compared to New York taxes, incredible.
Incredible, yeah. So we tip way more than you should tip here because we're not used to that tax be so low.
Right.
So it was good. It's nice.
So moving on, what did you think about the pool here?
Well, the pool is the highlight of this whole resort.
It really is.
It really is. You know, you have the indoor and the outdoor pool. Plenty of space, plenty of chairs. Just very modern and nice and tropical, and I enjoyed it a lot.
It felt like a club that had a pool.
Yeah.
It was like a lounge, and it was like, I like the shape of the pool. They have these little waterfalls on the sides, and you know, you have the shade. You're not like super hot outside.
Yeah.
So you're in the shade.
Exactly.
It's nice warm room temperature, and then you also have the option of going outside and getting, you know, a tan.
And the thing this resort is really cool because you can also come in the cold weather because you still have the pool inside that you can use all year round. So I think that's very important. I think that's like a highlight of this resort, that you can still enjoy it when it's not summer. You know what I mean?
You could come at any season, any time of the year. That pool is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
And that's one of the main reasons I decided to come here, because I saw the pictures of the pool online. And that really, you know, that was like the hook for me. And when I showed up and I saw the pool, I was like, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we made the right decision. So overall, you know, I'm really enjoying this place. The one thing that I was disappointed, the sauna wasn't open because of COVID. We called, they said it was going to be open. We show up, it's not open. So that's a little bit disappointing. The casino is nice if you're into gambling.
Yeah,
a big one. Casino, good sized casino. We're not into gambling that much, but it was very well kept. Overall, I felt like the facilities were very clean.
Yeah.
And very well kept, and it didn't look dated at all. It looks like they really invest in making this in this place look modern and nice and clean and safe for everybody.
And another highlight about this resort is that you have a lot of outside grounds. They have a golf club for the people that love golfing. But we went for a walk yesterday, and it was just so beautiful. It was like one of the best walks I had in a long time.
Yeah.
You know, just the greenery, and it's so spacious. So that's another really nice touch about this resort. Has a lot of landmark, a lot.
Yeah, we're big walkers, and it was just nice to walk around here, get away from the city.
Oh, they have a gym.
They also have a good gym.
Yeah, totally forgot.
And the gym is well kept. What I like, maybe because, you know, with everything that's going on, it wasn't too packed. I didn't feel like I was packed anywhere I went. So that's a good thing. Well, guys, that's our review. Thanks for watching. Let us know, have you been here? Are you planning on coming here? Let us know, leave us a comment. And thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.
Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like
subscribe.
button.
Later.
Mount Airy
Casino Resort.
Poconos.
Peace.